Hello, Timmy. I received your letter. It says you have been good. Have you been good, Timmy?
This is a website that makes a lot of money at Christmas. Let me show you. Santa Store. You have all these options. Personalized videos. $35 for a video. Yes, it's 5 to 8 minutes, but you can make 1 to 2 minutes, no problem with the method I'll show you. Charge less. They also do voice message for Santa for $10. I'll show you how to create the audio for the video so you can recycle the audio and use it for messages. First, we search for Santa Claus voice message in Google. I like this one. Right click on it, copy link address. Then we go to a website called TubeReaper. It's free and works well. In here, we paste the video. We just copied the link. Click on the arrow and we're going to say extract audio in MP3 quality and your audio is downloaded. Next, we're going to go to a website called fader.com. It's a website that will allow us to extract the voice and enhance the voice from the audio file that we have. You may have to create an account with a Google account or another email that you want to use. Click on create, click on stems, and here you're going to click on upload songs and upload the file that you've just extracted with TubeReaper. Open, and it's going to upload and process. There you go, it's done. And now we can try out the voice.
Ho, ho, ho! Greetings from the North Pole.
Excellent. Now we're going to scroll down, go to download stems, click on this, deselect all, click on vocals, leave it on MP3, press download stems, and it's downloaded. Next, you're going to need something that can record either a video or audio. So everybody uses CapCut. I don't, but just to show you, if you go to CapCut, you will need to sign and create an account. Go to new video. Once you're here, press on the camera, record, and you can select to record the tab you're in, the screen you're in, the audio. So you can choose what you want to do. Again, I'm not using this, so the screen you're going to see now is not CapCut. After that, we're going to go to a website called play.ai. And I just want to show you the pricing because it's important. The free plan, you get 30 minutes of speech credits, and you can repeat the free plan, just log with a different email address. So we're going to press on the icon here. We're going to create an agent. And here we're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it Santa. In here, I'm going to click create a voice clone. And I'm going to give it a name, Santa. And I'm going to upload the audio sample, which we've just created with Fader. Open. And once it's done, I click here, hereby confirm, blah, blah, blah. Create the clone. I found out that the speed of 1 is too fast, so I will go to a speed of 9. And then I click next. Now, play.ai is a chatbot that is supposed to answer questions, but we can actually trick it to talk. And that way we get the Santa voice with the text that we want. So in this video, we're going to define our agent. And we're going to use the agent greeting area to trick it to tell us what we want for the video. So for instance, here I put hello Timmy. Timmy is the character I used in the previous video. I received your letter. It says you've been good. Have you been good, Timmy? You notice that I put 3 dots here. I have added those to create a pause. You can write what you want. It's up to you, but a greeting and asking kids about their letter is always good. Now we need to define the persona of the agent. So I said, you are Santa Claus. You talk to children about their Christmas wishes. you are friendly and happy, speaking in a warm and slow voice. Again, you can use what you want, but in this box here, you need to define how the bot is going to interact. And finally, agent behavior. I want that bot to stay true to the character, so character use case. Once I've done that, I'm going to this button here. Now on you it may be different because I've already used it, but I'm going to press that button at the top right hand corner here, save agent, and it's going to take me to the interface where I can talk to the bot. So if you've done that properly, when you press talk, the bot is going to talk.
Hello, Timmy. I received your letter. It says you have been good. Have you been good, Timmy?
If you don't like the way Santa speaks, you want to retry it, it's easy. You click on the three dots here, go back to edit agent. You don't necessarily need to change anything. You just repress save agent. If you want to change the text, obviously go to next, change the text, and then once you've changed the text, you press save agent, and then here you press talk.
Hello, Timmy. I received your letter. It says you have been good. Have you been good, Timmy?
And you can see that in that example, the voice is not as friendly and as happy as the previous one. So it's always good to try 2-3 times to see if you get a better result. Next, we're going to search Google for HeyGen. HeyGen is an AI avatar video making software. Click on HeyGen. You will have to create an account. You can have a free account, but you will only have 3 videos. So if you need to do more videos, just make emails, create accounts, the usual things. So we click on create a video. I want an avatar video. I'm going to create them landscape. And this is the interface. As you can see, there is Santa. So I'm going to click on Santa. And I have 7 different options. These ones will allow you to have the background that you want. So for instance, outside in the snow, whatever you want. I'm going to select this one. Now I need to upload my voice sample. I'm going to click on asset, upload asset, take the audio file that you saved from the bot, open it, it's loaded. I'm then going to go here where there is by default an audio file, click on the 3 dot, delete, then we click on add script, upload audio, and we're going to select the voice that we just uploaded, and we can test it.
Hello, Timmy. I received your letter. It says you have been good. Have you been good, Timmy?
Now you can see that Santa's lips do not move. This is because you need to submit the video first. So we're going to submit it. It's going to ask you for some detail. It doesn't matter. Submit it. And after a few minutes, you will have your video, and this is what you get.
Hello, Timmy. I received your letter. It says you have been good. Have you been good, Timmy?
Finally, because we have the free plan from HeyGen, you will need to remove the watermark. So come here to beacon.com/online watermark remover. Click remove watermark from video. Select the video you want the watermark to be removed from.
Hello, Timmy.
So our watermark is here. Just drag the box on the watermark, and we're going to make it as small as possible, obviously. There we go. Once it's done, press erase and then load. And let's have a look.
Hello, Timmy.
As you can see,
I received
the
your letter.
watermark is gone.
It says you have been good.
And if you go back to my previous video on my YouTube channel, you will see that I give you a lot of tips and tricks on how to monetize anything related to Santa, who I would talk to, how I would proceed. So make sure to watch that video. Hope you enjoy that, and I'll speak to you later. Ciao!